Yo, hola, okay, hola. You see a bad bitch coming through, yo, what's the hola? I'm in that new me and new when I roll up. I tell a ballet, pop my pants and bring the
Before you even keep watching this video, go ahead and subscribe. Right down there or whatever. Go subscribe. Go subscribe. Go subscribe. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm LaRuben, and if you're new here, what's the gaga? So a lot of you guys don't know what I mean by when I say what's the gaga. And basically it means like what's the tea, what's good, like, you know, what's up or whatever. So today's video I decided to show you guys how I made my nightcap outfit. And if you don't know what nightcap is, it's basically like a campus party, but it's like a formal, like dressy event. Quick story. I was in the 12th grade and it was time for prom. I didn't have anything to wear and I didn't want to ask my mom for money to buy a suit that I was only going to wear one time. So I went to the thrift store and I got me a suit. I got a top and bottom, and I went downtown and I got a whole bunch of fabric and I just sewed up my prom outfit. And I was kind of like best dressed at my school. And my outfit was made by me. The shoes, the top. I'm going to insert pictures right here. So, yeah. But this is what I decided to do for my nightcap outfit. As you can see, everything is already too big. So what I have to do is take in everything. First step is to take in the pants, and the way I did it was I turned my pants inside out and then I added pins along both sides of my pants. After adding the pins, I used chalk to outline exactly where I had to sew, and then I trimmed it on my sewing machine with a zigzag stitch. And here's the fit of the pants now. While in Miami, I discovered this really cute red glitter sequence fabric that was on sale for $9.99 a yard, and all I'm doing now is trimming around and cutting them out into little pieces so that I can place it onto my pants and my blazer. Next step is super simple. All you have to do is place your pieces down and try to figure out exactly where you want them to be. Use your creativity to just design anything in your head, and it's really up to you, so go for it. After you've decided exactly where you want your pieces to go, you're going to take some of the E6000 glue that we always use in every DIY, and you're going to pour it on the back of your pieces, and then you're just going to place your pieces right into place exactly where you had already placed them before. Repeat that step over and over and over again until the suit is finished. Honestly, you might want to watch a Netflix movie or something because it might take a while. But it's very simple, and it's just very tedious. You just have to really be creative. I decided to also add gems and other things as well. So use your creativity. Honestly, options are endless. Do the exact same thing with the blazer, and literally that's it to this DIY.
forgot.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified for the next time I post my videos. That's very important because I'll be on here every Monday and Thursday. Every Monday and Thursday. That's when I post my videos. And if you're new here, join the fam. Join the fam. Be a part of this. Please. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. We have reached the milestone. We're at 117 subscribers. We're growing and we're going to continue to grow.